Zandrei channel, ZZZ. Today we'll be folding a shuriken / ninja star. Shuriken is Japanese for ninja star, okay? Okay, so you'll need 2 pieces for this, okay? So first, fold your first piece in half. And then fold that piece in half. And crease down the middle. Same with the other one. Make sure to line it up. Good. Okay, now fold it up like this so the edge is touching the crease. So like that. So like that, okay? And then do the same thing with the right down. Do it with the other side. I mean the other piece, actually. Not side, piece. Okay, now get the corner of the flappy thingy and then fold it like a triangle. And then do the thing with the bottom also. Okay, there. So it looks like, oh wait, wrong way. So it looks like a lightning bolt, like this. Okay, now fold those triangles down. Oh, wait. Okay, now fold those triangles down and down. So it's like, what's it called again? Parallelogram. So it should look like this when you fold it. A parallelogram. Okay, now you'll need some tape for this part. So just flatten this part. And then put it through. Okay, fold those. And it has to be shaped like a shuriken. So, overlap that. And then overlap that. Oh. It's okay. Just, yeah. Stick it anywhere you want. And then get the tape. Put it on there. Like the slit. And if you have any extra tape going on the, like off the edges, just fold it so it goes to the other side. You don't want to use too much tape because that's just wasting. they all done. So this is the completed shuriken. So, my guys, make sure to like and subscribe to Zandrei channel ZZZ. And if you have any suggestions of what to fold, put them right down here in the comments. So, bye!